Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the new strain of coronavirus and the facts behind the virus spreading and all those things. Actually, mutation is a part of the life cycle of a virus. So, sudden change in the genetic information of the virus can be called as mutation. Not only virus, any organism which can immediately change its genetic information can be considered as mutation. Once the virus latches onto a host, it begins to replicate and make it copies of itself. Being the RNA virus, there are several probabilities can be seen to show its mutation. During the process of virus replication, random errors arise. One or two protein molecules change, possibly induced by the immune response mounted within the infected people. So once the virus hijacks the protein synthesis mechanism of the host cell, so the chances of getting the mutations or the possibilities for getting the mutations can be more. Not all mutations are significant, but those that affect the virus ability to survive or replicate are important. So, very frequently, the mutations can be seen in the viral RNA, but some mutations can be significant. But those that affect the virus ability to survive or replicate are important. Mutations arise naturally in SARS-CoV-19 COVID-2 genome as the virus replicates and circulates in the human population. As a result of this ongoing process, many thousands of mutations have already arisen in the SARS-CoV-2 genome since the virus emerged in 2019. The vast majority of the mutations observed in SARS-CoV-2 have no apparent effect on the virus, and only a very small minority are likely to be important and change the virus in any appreciable way. But actually, the most important thing is whether this new strain of the virus or the new mutated virus is dangerous. So, the mm, mm, best thing is this any virus which is having that much of proliferation. So, faster proliferation can have least impact on the biological system. So, this variant is the result of multiple mutations in the spike protein. So you can see the image of the spike proteins of the coronavirus, the point of viral entry into the host of SARS-CoV-2, as well as mutations in other genomic regions of the RNA virus. So whether the biggest question is this virus can withstand the vaccination and the diagnostic tests. So the current swab tests are able to identify the new variants. That is a very important thing. As the virus can be detected through the currently available swab tests, indicate that this virus can also be controlled, can also be responded to the vaccination program. It is still early to be certain. Ongoing work is something we are looking forward to. What does this variation do for a vaccine which will anyway simulate a broad antibody response? The hope is that it won't be significantly hampered by the mutation. So the vaccination program cannot be hampered by this mutation, but only thing is so as speedier spreading can be seen. So the vulnerable sections of the people like old age people or the people who are suffering from the comorbidities can have more chances to get infected. Using a face mask, regularly washing hands and maintaining a distance with others when in public setting will continue to be the best practical ways to prevent the infection. Thanks for watching.